Divas. Happy day 5. Happy Advent. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I want to call your attention to the link below to the season's greetings, the 40 different YouTube channels, diamond painting YouTube channels who are putting together hour by hour, like keeping you company videos, their Christmas premieres, holiday premieres, and they'll be going hour to hour starting at midnight Christmas Eve morning to midnight Boxing Day Eve, and every hour on the hour there'll be a new premiere coming up, and the creator of that premiere will be with you in chat during that hour. So all 3 days, no matter if you get lonely, if you get tired, if you get just so that you wake up in the middle of the night, don't know what to do, turn us on. Check out the playlist. Let's talk advent calendars. Here we go. Day 5. Day 5. Arteza. Am I going to get the instructions today that go with that cross stitch stuff? Here's day 5 right here. Oh my, here we go. Day 5. Day 5, day 5. Ooh. Oh, it opens this way today. Oh no. Alright, this is a mold. This calls it epoxy resin mold snowflake. Okay, if you do epoxy resin, you can make a snowflake, and it has a little nubbin up at the top so that the resin will go around and make a loop. So it will make its own loop. Isn't that nice? I haven't tried resin yet, but I want to. I've got the equipment to do it. I just keep wanting my husband to do it with me because I like company when I do something for the first time, don't you? Just in case, just in case. All right, day 5, Daphne's Diary. Here we go. It's a bigger one. Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. 3 gorgeous washi tapes. Look at that. A skinny one with trees. A red one with gingerbread people in gold. And a white one with gold reindeer. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. She has such good taste. Such good taste. And again, you get to use this gorgeous cabinet over again. You'll have to hold me accountable and let me, I'll have to show you what I do with it then. All right, Diamond Painting Creations Day number 5. Let me see. Ooh, all this fluff. Ooh, okay. It's pretty. Ooh, now all this collapsed. Let me put this back in here and show you. It is a diamond painting pen. Pink and blue with the copper tip on it. And, a hole for other multi-placers to go. I have a feeling there'll probably be multi-placers somewhere in the days to come. Very pretty. Very pretty, very pretty. All right. What do you think? Are you enjoying this? Don't forget to share your cookie and holiday recipes on our Facebook group. All kinds of bonuses if you put a picture of yourself covered in flour or goo or something like that when you're in the midst of making them. Try to put a picture of the finished product on there. Looks like I'll be taking recipes all through to mid-January, and then I'll put them together into an ebook for everybody to share their holiday creations together. Number 5. Oh. Here we go. Ooh, okay. Metal tips. Thank you. Metal tips are so nice. They last a lot longer. It's a single placer, a bent single placer, and a straightener. That's really nice. Really, really nice. AddMoreZest.com. Very nice. Well, there you go. For the pen, I got in the other kit. And Diamond Painting Deutschland. You know, for the kids at the school, we have put all kinds of things, decorations together for our classroom. The kids are having a ball decorating the classroom. Aww, keychains. Talk about gunks. Just like the packages. These are fun. Look at this. Look at the gnomes here. Look at the gnomes. Different sizes and shapes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one has a snowman. 10, and this one has a tree. 10 of them. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. They are double-sided as well. This is an amazing little kit. Look at all the drills you get, and you get the ball chain and the lobster claw as well. Oh, sweet. These will be fun to do while I'm watching TV, Christmas cartoons. Did you see Snoopy yet? Did you see Rudolph yet? Did you see the Grinch yet? Those are the 3 I watch year in and year out. You bet. Which ones do you watch every year? Do you like the Santa Claus? Do you like Elf? Do you like the Christmas Story? I also like the Little Drummer Boy. I love that one. All right. There we go. There is the generosity for today from our Advent calendars. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, Tuesday nights, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget the goodies over on the Etsy shop, including, if I still have some left, any Black Friday Diamond Art Club. The ones, some of the ones I premiered are up on the Etsy shop with cross-stitch kits, with other diamond painting kits that I am destashing, and cover minders and scrapbook kits, the whole works. The Etsy shop is linked below. See you tomorrow, divas. Bye.